Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If your Bosch battery charger is not working, it can be really frustrating, especially when your tools are ready but the battery just won't charge. You might plug it in and see no lights, blinking errors, or no response at all. Many users think the charger is faulty, but in most cases, the issue is something simple, like a power problem, dirty contacts, overheating, or a battery protection lock. These chargers are designed with safety features, so even a minor issue can stop them from working. The good part is that with a few quick checks, you can fix the problem and get your charger running again. Try these. Step 1. Check the power outlet and cable connection. Step 2. Unplug the charger and plug it back in after a few seconds. Step 3. Test with a different battery to identify the issue. Step 4. Clean the charger and battery contacts. Step 5. Let the battery cool down or warm up to normal temperature. Step 6. Try again or replace the charger if no response.